Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here, and I want to welcome you to the Canton Fair. This is one of the most exciting tours that we actually run. We do include these Canton Fair tours in some of our student programs that we do. If you're one of our students, inquire, talk to one of our team members about this. But coming to the Canton Fair is exactly probably the most exciting thing that you could ever do if you're looking and you're serious about starting something on Amazon. By coming to the Canton Fair, you'll see new products, you'll meet new suppliers, you'll see stuff that you probably won't see on Amazon for at least 6 months, maybe even a year. There's so many new products here at the Canton Fair. So if you're serious about getting something started, coming here is probably the best thing that you can do. And let me just talk to you about a couple other things, right? I've been to the Canton Fair more times than I can count. We're actually here with a very small group of people that are getting started on Amazon. So if the number one challenge that you have right now is products, and you're like, hey Alex, listen, I don't know what products are hot. I don't know what new products I can jump on. I'm not too sure what products are actually going to be, sellable, right? What are people typing into Amazon right now? What are people buying? Well, coming to the Canton Fair, you're going to get a ton of ideas, because I've walked around and I've been involved in import-export now for 10 years. I'm walking around and I'm seeing stuff I've never seen before. And I know some of these products are actually going to be winning products, but it's just a matter of time before they hit Amazon. So being first to market definitely does help as well. So coming to the Canton Fair is probably one of the best things you can do if you're serious about getting something started on Amazon. So come on with me, come and join me. I'm going to show you around. Come on. Hey, how you doing? Beautiful Canton Fair in the distance. You guys see that? How nice is this? Beautiful. See the beautiful balloons in the background there as well. My favorite place to come to. So many distributors, so many products. If you're looking for contacts of somebody that can assist you with your Amazon business, hello. How are you? I've used them before, they're quite good. So many contacts you'll make here if you're serious about getting something started on Amazon. I found one product this morning. I've already actually done something with it. I've already actually placed a sample order for this particular product. I know this product is going to be doing really well in December. I'm actually partnering up with one of my students on this particular product, and it's going to be one of those products where as soon as I launch it, I know exactly, I already have a feeling it's going to be one of those products that will just instantly do well. The reason being, no one's selling this particular product right now. No one, it's small, it's lightweight. I know it's going to be profitable, because a similar comparable product, I won't tell you what the product is. Let's have an example. It was a super duper hairbrush, right? Well, I already know roughly all the hairbrushes in this category are actually doing incredible numbers, right? I already know they're doing incredible numbers. So I know this particular hairbrush, this super duper hairbrush that I jump on, is going to do even better numbers. So I'm actually really excited about it. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated on how it goes, but I can't reveal the product because essentially I'm partnering up with a student of mine. I'm partnering up with a student of mine on this particular product, but I'm very excited, and Amazon does get me excited. I love coming to the fair. I love selling on Amazon. It's going to be a great little venture. So, all right, talk to you soon. You want to grab a coffee? Lavazza. Where is it? Over there. Yeah, there's good coffee over there. One of my favorite coffee houses. I've been in this place so many times. That coffee house there is probably the best coffee house in the whole Canton Fair. And expect to pay a lot. If you're looking to get coffee, expect to pay a lot at the fair, because coffee don't come cheap. But everyone here is so nice. All the suppliers are so nice. All the people working here are so nice. It's a nice little table right here. We'll go on further. I think this table's up there. And I'll show you. Yeah, you got sourcing services everywhere. You don't need those services. You can do it yourself. I know. I've done it myself. I used to be involved in sourcing. You can find
you can find it yourself. So yeah, you want to sit by the window? Is it nice? Oh, we sit. Yeah, sit. Oh, it's yeah. Oh, here is really nice. Eh? Yeah, that's nice.